Now that you've created a few entries, it's time to add a little more structure. In this activity, we'll show you how to organize your vault using folders and smart categorization that help you stay efficient and in control. Folders in Remote Desktop Manager are your primary tool to group and organize your entries. You can nest them, rename them, and structure them any way you like, by client, environment, protocol, or function. Your folder structure should reflect how you work. Do you prefer grouping by client, by function, or by environment? Choose the system that suits you. Here's where it gets powerful. When creating a new folder, you can also choose a specific folder type. Just like a credentials folder where you store all of your credentials entries, or customers folder to easily separate all of your clients, or even a device folder to group all of your IT assets, like your router, switch, firewall, or other devices. You can even use the software folder type to manage all of your software licenses with their renewal dates, prices, license keys, and provider information. These folder types are tailored to support inheritance and behavior specific to the entry type they contain. This means you can define settings like credentials, display options, or network configurations at the folder level, and those settings will cascade down to all compatible entries inside. Need additional categorization? Use tags to group entries across folders. Tags are ideal when an entry belongs to more than one context, like for SSH sessions or RDP sessions that are used as a demo environment, or even computers that requires updates. You can also personalize how your entries and folders look. Change the icon and even the icon color to quickly identify items at a glance. It's a simple tweak that makes navigation smoother, especially as your vault grows. Combining folders, folder types, and tags gives you a flexible way to manage a growing environment. Whether you're managing dozens or hundreds of entries, the structure will save you time and reduce errors. Start simple. You don't need a perfect system, just something that works for you. Begin by grouping a few related entries and adding a couple of meaningful tags. Take 5 to 10 of your entries and group them into folders. Add at least one tag and assign icons where it makes sense for you. In the next activity, we'll see how folder structure enables shared settings using inheritance.